Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now the dollar has slipped back to sort of where it started the week, right? You can see euro popped up, sort of 50 points through that level, and it's back to where it is. Now, across all the currency pairs, there's one pair that stands out more to me than most others, right? And it's sterling. Now, let's just have a quick deep dive into sterling. If I wind back the time frame here, you can start to see there's really good structure around this support trend line. Okay, one, that's two, it's close enough. Three, four, look at it, five sort of touches here, right? And it is trending higher. To me, it's only a matter of time before sterling breaks through 135.50, and that's where the cash is, right? You just got to be patient with this. And the other side of it is on the daily charts, you can see very clearly here it is going upwards as well, right? So as you navigate your way around the markets today, just keep an eye on the live trade signals. You'll see most of the major currency pairs lining up, but we can do a bit more of a deep dive and focus on the one that does look really good. Okay, sterling, bullish. We're just waiting for the timing to fit into play, probably during the European session, I would think. And just keep an eye on the economic numbers, right? Not a lot of data coming out for the UK this week. We do have some PMI numbers out today for the UK. And then later on, some S&P global numbers, PMI numbers out of the US, right? What we want is strong sterling numbers and ideally weaker US numbers. And we don't just get a clean snap, we get a big move to the top side. And that's where the cash is, right? So no need to sit in front of the screens, no need to sort of waste your day. I've got Trendline Trader already primed for a move to the top side. All I got to do is wait for the timing. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.